On this episode of the Real Housewife of Nebraska, we're planning on having the majority of the party downstairs. Party prep. Prepare for plenty of picking up.
This is how my mom scrubs her floors.
And chicken parmesan from the one and only Joanna Gaines. Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Casey, or the Real Housewife of Nebraska. These next few days I have a lot on my to-do list because I'm preparing for my 5-year-old daughter to turn 6 and she wants to have a rock star birthday party. So I hope you join me today as we clean and decorate and get it all done. One of the first things on my to-do list is to take a bunch of these toys that we have right here and put them up in the girls' bedrooms. Talking about the girls' bedrooms, I don't actually touch those areas too much. Here's a few toys I can pick up. I don't really end up cleaning those areas too much because my girls are actually, there they are, pretty good at keeping their rooms clean. We'll take a quick look. I'll say that and then it'll be a mess in here. But yeah, not too bad. The main part is since the girls kind of keep their own rooms clean, I don't actually clean the floors all that much. It's nice that we have this toy area to put all the toys in it, which is where I'll be putting these toys in. And the girls even do, especially Camille, the older one there, pretty well with putting all their toys back. These baskets are really handy for that. Here's some more, guys, to put in the right spots. One of those might be Camille's and one's Eve's. But they do really good, as I said, with keeping their rooms clean. If you would like me to do a video on how to get your kids to keep their rooms clean, let me know in the comments down below. And over here is Camille's room, which she does better than Eve. She's older, so she does better at keeping her room clean too. Is your toy closet clean, Eve or Camille? Let's see. Turn the light on. Let's take a look. We did an organization video of toy closets, didn't we? And your room. We can post that video down below in the description box too, right? Looks pretty good, girl. Way to go. We just have to get some more of those toys downstairs that are supposed to come up here and put them back up. And then mommy is going to clean all the floors and dust all the surfaces. Next up, I'm going to clean all of my surfaces with this Mrs. Meyer's spray and this e-cloth. The type of Mrs. Meyer's spray I'm using is Bluebell scent. I just got this for the first time a few weeks ago. I have to tell you, it's not my favorite Mrs. Meyer's smell, but it does smell good. So here's one of many weird things that I do. Instead of using a mop, I actually just use a water bucket and get down on my hands and knees to scrub my floors. I know there might be some easier ways, but this is how my mom scrubs her floors. And I feel like sometimes it's the only way to get every little nook and cranny. And sometimes if I'm gonna do it, like I rarely actually clean the floors up here. So if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. I briefly mentioned this in my last video, but for the first time since we've been in this house for a birthday party, we're planning on having the majority of the party downstairs because my husband just redid our patio area out here, and I thought the kids could have fun with like slip and slide. Since my daughter's having a rock star party, she wants that to be the stage and people to sit down here and watch them sing. She's getting a karaoke machine. It's a secret for her birthday. I think she probably actually knows, but and we still have to wrap that present, so hopefully we'll do that. But so far, this is the decorations. This is a photo prop area that we hung up, and then here are different photo props for the kids. I'll insert a couple images now of my kids already having fun with it. So yeah, I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully the kids will enjoy it, and the concert and everything that they plan on putting up. I'm going to do something different here, but the girls just laid all of this down. I'll link down below in the description box some of the stuff we got, but we got plates and cups. These are going to be for cupcakes. I'm going to attempt a drum cake. We'll see how that goes. And then obviously we're still working on stuff for the party here. These are the candles that my daughter insisted that we get. She saw some other videos of people having these candles that are different colors, but I've read the reviews. They weren't too great on this. I'll let you know how it ends up. But yeah, so far it's coming together with the decorations. I did clean the floors already down here, but I need to dust all of the surfaces. So now Evie's joining me in the laundry room for a secret. What is it?
We gonna wrap Camille's present.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap Camille's present, but we can't let her know, right? That's why we locked the door. What did we get? What did we get her? Karaoke machine, right? But it's a secret. You can't tell your sister, right? I was gonna show you a couple little hacks I had while I'm here. So I did a video on how to wrap presents, which this time it probably won't be perfect, you know, because someone's helping. But anyways, so I got this wrapping paper for Christmas, and one that's gold like it, because it's nice because you can use it year round. It looks good for weddings and, you know, works for birthdays and stuff like that. But a way to make your wrapping paper also not unfold is you just get a toilet paper roll and you cut a slit of it and then you stick it around like that. So then you don't have that pain of, you know, the Christmas wrapping paper unfolding. There's Camille, who is waiting outside the door. What do you think?
God.
What do you think's inside there?
I don't know.
What would you guess?
I don't know. It's just super hard to guess.
It's a surprise. For supper tonight, I am super excited because I just got Joanna Gaines' new Magnolia Table cookbook, and I'm gonna try a recipe from it. It's called Chicken Parmesan, You likely know what chicken parmesan is, right? But this is what you'll need for this recipe. You'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 6 to 8 ounces each, a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 sleeve or 40 buttery crackers crushed, 4 ounces Parmesan cheese grated, which is about 1 cup, 2 tablespoons olive oil, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a half cup of mayonnaise. It says preferably Hellmann's. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And then a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, which is optional. I'm not going to do the chopped fresh parsley. That's something you're just going to sprinkle on top. And when it comes to my kids, if they see something green like that, they'll be less likely to eat it. But I know for adults, that would be fun, right? So right now, I have the oven preheating to 400 degrees. That's the first part. And then it says with your boneless, skinless chicken breasts, you want to place them into between 2 sheets of plastic wrap. Hey girls, can you keep it down a little bit? Sorry about that. Between 2 sheets of plastic wrap, and then pound them to about 1 inch thickness. Luckily, I think mine are around 1 inch thickness, so I'm pretty good there. Then you're gonna season the chicken evenly on both sides with salt and pepper. Next comes in a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs and garlic salt until combined. In another bowl, combine the crackers and a half cup of the Parmesan. Then you're gonna take each chicken breast and put it in the egg mixture, then in the cracker mixture, and set the chicken aside on a plate. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of the oil over medium heat. Add 2 pieces of the chicken and cook until the cracker coating is crispy and golden brown. Joanna says that's about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Then remove it to a sheet pan. Repeat with the remaining 1 tablespoon oil and the chicken breasts. Next, you're going to transfer the sheet pan to the oven and bake until the chicken is cooked through, or an instant read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the meat registers, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm not the world's greatest chef, so I'm glad Joanna has little markers of about this many minutes, and that says for about 8 to 10 minutes. Does that look good, Eve?
I'm going to eat it 2 seconds.
You're going to eat it in 2 seconds. Are you the best cook ever?
Yeah. 2 seconds.
Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, combine the remaining half cup Parmesan, the lemon juice, and the mayonnaise. When the chicken is done, smear it with the mayo Parmesan topping and turn on the broiler. Broil until the cheese is bubbling and golden. Joanna says that's about 3 minutes. And then if you do have that parsley, you can sprinkle it on top. She recommends serving it with pasta and marinara sauce. So that's what I'm gonna do.
So I worked on that. Somehow he doesn't.
This one is a big one.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I would also appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. It lets me know what type of content I should do, if I should do more cleaning videos like this, or cooking, or decorating. And if you also have input on what types of videos, just comment that down below in the description box. I would love to hear from you. Also, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and the bell down below and became part of this Real Housewife YouTube family. Thanks again for watching, and happy cleaning, everyone.